Sharda Motor Industries, product leader, priced right, steadily surpassing every average, now at the threshold of a bullish crossover. Design and manufacture of critical components, largely for automotive sector. A dominant force in exhaust systems and emission control, and a promising presence in suspension systems and structural parts and components. A position of strength in the market, benefiting from the moat, predominant position in revenue from exhaust systems, a significant market share in the passenger vehicle segment, a strong in-house R&D capability, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities spread over 7 states supplies parts, systems, and modules directly to original equipment manufacturers OEMs. An exclusive supplier of exhaust systems to select prominent OEMs, a long-standing relationship with the OEMs, a core strength carefully nurtured over time, benefiting from the limited domestic competition, a moat growing from strength to strength. The 3 quarters of FY26 report quite an encouraging revenue growth. The year-on-year growth evenly supported by quarterly revenue spread, a consistent earnings growth but at a muted level, particularly over last 8 quarters. However, an impressive trailing 12 months net margin percentage maintained for the quarter ended December 25. Moderation is evident in the operating margins from the peak of September 24, the stabilized level of December 25 as an improvement over December 23 is a positive consolation. An asset growth in line with the business momentum, a consistent growth in equity helped by a strong retention policy, a debt-free asset funding adding to the strength and vitality of the balance sheet. A very impressive and rewarding return ratio, a return on capital employed very positive on the efficient management of resources, return on equity quite sizable, enhancing shareholder profitability, quite an impressive return on assets, highlighting optimum and consistent utilization of assets over the years. Sharda Motor Industries is a picture of financial excellence, a growing revenue supported by the strength of a rising equity and its effective deployment begetting rewarding returns, all pointing to a prudent financial management on an ongoing basis. Given the market price trend, price earning multiple has moved significantly lower and currently it stays below auto components sector average. A similar positive pattern is observed in the price to book value multiple, both the indices pointing to an excellent value proposition emerging from the stock price at its corrected level. A phenomenal rise in share price post FY24 results, an incessant fall from the peak of July 24 till the FY25 results. The share price has not been able to reverse the trend during the 3 quarters of FY26. Recent price candles, however, are raising a wave of optimism, probably in anticipation of positive FY26 results. Risk factors. With growing focus on Electric vehicles, exhaust systems forming about 90% of revenue, the company risks an existential threat, vulnerability from insignificant exports, and a limited bargaining power with giant OEMs, risk of exposure to adverse impact of geopolitical tensions and also to cyclical nature of automobile industry. Crucial strategic initiatives: embracing lightweighting is critical for internal combustion engines and is also relevant for reaching out to electric vehicles. Exploring new verticals on EV specific components is the right step in de-risking excessive dependence on legacy exhaust systems. Sharda Motor is open to advancements in exhaust systems necessitated by increasingly stringent emission norms. Sharda Motor Industries is an investment idea supported by an exhaust system specialist monopoly, all-round financial excellence, proactive preparedness for EV transition, and also a stock supported by an attractive valuation. Hope the video was to your liking. I am Vitthal Prabhu with the fortnightly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You may please access similar quality videos at our info card. We highly appreciate your kind interest and thank you for your valuable time and great support. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. It is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.